DIY, do-it-yourself hacks. This is a hack that's going to save you a lot of grief, especially when you might have an emergency such as a pipe burst. This would be a water line, typically copper or galvanized. Copper, I guess it'll work on either one respectfully, but your galvanized would have more girth to it, be rounder, as far as fatter. Copper's usually 1/2 inch if it's residential, 3/4 inch if it's a main water line. But when you have water under pressure, typically a 3/4 inch going main feed into your home, this is residential, could work on commercial, is no one is answering their phone. That's the first problem a lot of people get when they call an emergency plumber who states they're 24 hours and they're not, which you'll find often. A1 Best Plumbing, after you try the rest, call the best. A1 Best Plumbing, we're there 24/7 because we answer our phone. But if you can't reach us or others and you have the water running and it's spewing out water all over the place and it's causing a flood outside your home, if you can dig up or trench and get to the pipe and get a nice clean version of the pipe, what you can do is you can stop the bleeding, if you will, by using a rubber inner tube. So the inner tube that would go for like a bicycle, if you will, you can cut it and maybe even fold it to make it a little bit fatter. And then you can use 2 clamps that you can tighten up with a simple screwdriver or a wrench, and you can actually clamp that rubber onto the leak, and that'll suffice and keep the water from leaking very, very well. In fact, completely in some cases if you do it adequately. But you can wait 24 or 48 hours, even a month. I've seen people wait with the Band-Aid approach. The DIY would be to fix it yourself, stop the bleeding, but respectfully, you should hire a professional because it could bring a leak somewhere else. It's a temporary fix, but it's an immediate fix, and it works extremely well. So remember, an inner tube, like a bicycle inner tube, and 2 metal stainless steel clamps on either side of it, even one in the middle if you want to go overkill, but that'll stop the water from leaking and it'll save you a lot of grief until you can get it really professionally done. Remember to smash that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.